Okay, so as I was going through this, I was about to explain 30, 60, 90 triangles when I realized I didn't tell you how to solve for one of the sides if you only have the hypotenuse. So here we have a word problem. Yay! Word problems are so weird because you could just measure the plate in real life. But we're going to forget about that because unfortunately tests don't take logical answers. Yay! So, what is the side length of the smallest square plate on which a 24 centimeter chopstick can fit along a diagonal without any overhang? So I'm going to go here. As you can see, I've already got some stuff written out. That is wrong. I had to try and figure this out earlier because I realized, oh, I actually don't know how to do this. So luckily for me, I now have a brief refresher. Yay! Okay, so the hypotenuse, which is 24, is equivalent. That is equivalent to that. Still don't know how to say that. Yeah, I know. Fancy. Great. Times the length of the leg, which we're going to call x. Okay. So, when we want to isolate a variable, what do? Simple. We divide. Okay? So we're going to divide that. That cancels out that. 24, 2. Okay? Then you're just going to go to your calculator, type that in. As you can see, I already have it typed in right here, and the answer is 16.9705627485. Or, since there is a 0.9 right there, like the 10th, we have 9/10 right there, so we can just round that up to 17. The approximate side length of the square plate is 17 centimeters. Okay, so let me say that one more time. Okay, so when you have a hypotenuse but you want to find the leg, what do? Simple. Get your formula ready. So, hypotenuse, or whatever, yeah. Hypotenuse equals the square root of 2 multiplied by the leg. Okay, so this is your formula for all 45, 45, 90 triangles, and it's really nice. So if you have a leg, simply multiply it by the square root of 2. You don't really have to use a calculator for that, as MathXL will just accept it as the square root of 2 times the number without, having to do any math. But if you have the hypotenuse, you just plug that in, and then you're going to divide by the square root of 2. That cancels that out, and then divide the hypotenuse by the square root of 2. That, since we were doing a word problem earlier, it said the approximate side length of the plate and round to the nearest tenth, as opposed to non-word problems, which might simply say just, give an exact answer using radicals as needed. Then you can simplify that radical down to its most basic form, as basic as you can get it, and put that over a division sign, and that'll be your answer. But yeah, so hypotenuse divided by the square root of 2, that'll be your answer. For a word problem, again, you will want to actually plug that into a calculator, so 24 divided by the square root of 2, like in our example problem here. Or you can just leave it and type in whatever your hypotenuse is divided by the square root of 2 into MathXL if you don't have a word problem. Okay, so, and that's how you solve it.